Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can open Canva in laptop. So after you download Canva for Windows, just going to open, just click Canva in the desktop, the waiting, Word open, and you can start editing content right away. There are um, lots of templates that you can use here, and I think Canva made our job easier. So you can see there are many templates here for many contents you need. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using Canva for PC for the first time. And if you find this useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. You can click thanks buttons for appreciate. Bye bye.